What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Full Transparency Trading. Your boy Sebastian here. We are breaking down another pretty crazy day. Let's go back to the beginning of the day. In the beginning of the day, literally just nothing for hours. Hours and hours of just consolidating, right? Some big consolidation up here in 2 o'clock. But the 2 o'clock kind of told you that, hey, they're going into a little bit of a tug of war. Things are about to pop off. We're going to the upside. So you have all this consolidation literally until 2 p.m. 2 p.m. you start the tug of war, start the tug of war, start the tug of war. High level consolidation, literally $20 level consolidation, right? Pull all the way down to 50.54 and skyrocket off of there. I catch some banger trades out of that. Getting at the top, going to the bottom. So we go all the way from 50.53 to 51.28, almost $100. Then we come all the way down from that point to 42, nearly $100 that way as well, up and down. Let's go on over and see. You can see where I got in all my trades, pushing up and down and stuff like that. And my trades were 100 to like 118. So like I'm riding $20 waves. There are people who caught 40, 50, 60, $70 waves off of this. It was an insane day, but $20 is more than enough to get you a few $1,000s, and that's just what I got. Let's go over here. On the first account, we got $3,158. On the second account, we have $3,039. And on the last account, we have $3,407. Insane day. You're talking $20 moves, and I didn't even get the best moves. I got good moves. Other people got amazing moves. Like, could you imagine getting in down here at 54 and then just literally, if you got in here at 56, literally just riding that up for 15 minutes, and it goes from 54 to 51.12, over nearly $100. That man, dude, listen, that's how you know I'm still learning. Somebody somewhere got all of this. I got $20. Somebody somewhere else got all of this. And I was patient. I was waiting for it to go to the downside. Went to the downside, caught my little $20 joint, went to the upside, got out, and was done thinking that, hey, it's either going to run up or consolidate for a little bit. It didn't consolidate, pushed up to the ATR and fell hard to the downside. And had I known that, I would have took this candle, because I was here for this candle, but I had to go pick my daughter up from school. So I took off on that candle there. Pretty crazy day, though, overall. But $9,500 day. This week has been insane. I mean, this week, I don't know what's going on in the stock market, but there is money just being thrown around in large numbers. Somebody out there is making millions and millions of dollars. What's going on? I wanted to take a second to thank anyone who's watching these videos, leaving your comments and, likes and stuff like that. I appreciate you, but I wanted to also zoom out for a second so you could really see what this move actually looks like. This is an insane move where we came from all that, early day consolidation all the way until like 120. At 120, we finally start trending up and breaking out of the structure that we had. Starts to dance, and then you really start a tug of war right around here. You go from 53 up to 64, just over $1,100. You finally push up and break out of the ATR area, and you start to realize that you're above that 200 EMA and you're not going back down there. And that's when the real party begins. You go all the way up to 75, so a whole nother $1,000. That's $2,000 right there. I didn't get in on that trade because it was just too choppy, in my opinion. As you can see, the tug of war really began around 230, starts to go insane, and then explodes up from there, from 50.55 all the way up to 51.14. You're talking about $4,000, $5,000 for me. That's $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 for somebody else. If you've got like hundreds of contracts, you might have made $1 million plus today. So somebody out here is moving some major numbers. Let's zoom back out so we can see that again. We get all the way to the top from the bottom right here of 50.50 all the way up to 51.27. That's almost $100. That's $7,000 if I get in from the very bottom. But I just got in from like right here at this wick at the 9 EMA, pushed it up to the top. When it started to pull back, took it to the downside. When it started to pop up again, just waited, then took some of this to the downside here. But then I had to go pick my daughter up from school, so I left right about this green candle right here. But made $3,000 across 3 accounts for a total of $9,500, $9,600. But just an overall good day, you know, guys. You guys are watching just growth. It's crazy because you can tell that I'm still not the best, because if I was that good, if I was better, I would have got in right here. Or I would have gotten right here, or I would have even like here and just rode this all the way down and made like $7,000 in one trade. One day, guys, one day we're gonna get there, but for now we're just gonna take the easy money like I always say. You guys have a great day. Happy hunting. I hope that everybody out there was, you know, doing well with their account and not blowing any accounts or anything like that. You know, be blessed. Have a good day, and I'm out.